Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little Monica Vinader jewellery unboxing. So in case you don't know, I am a huge fan of Monica Vinader jewellery. I actually used to work in the jewellery industry, so I feel like I know a thing or two about the jewels. And yeah, these are one of my favorite brands ever. I have such a huge collection of them and I recently lost a few pieces. I don't want to go into why or how or what happened, but I lost some pieces. I'm devastated. However, I have replaced them with a couple more. So that's what we're unboxing today. So I'm super excited. Let's get into it. So this is how Monica Vinader jewellery comes packaged. It's very sustainable. It's all recycled and recyclable, which I absolutely love. In case you haven't guessed by now, sustainability is very important to me. I'm not into fast fashion. I love vintage. I love well-made things. And Monica Vinader are both sustainable, luxurious, beautiful, and yeah, timeless as well. In fact, they're so timeless. I've been wearing their jewellery for like 10, maybe 12 years at this point, and I still love the first pieces that I ever got, which I think is a real testament to how well made their pieces are, as well as how timeless the designs are. In fact, I'm wearing this necklace here, which is Monica Vinader, and I got this about 5 years ago and I wear it nearly every day. It still looks amazing, and I am wearing it with my Cartier love necklace, and I just think it's such a pretty duo. Oh, I should probably also tell you that I have a 20% Monica Vinader discount code. I will put all the information in the description below. So if you want to treat yourself to anything, 20% off will be yours. You can use it all year round, so feel free to bookmark this video, come back to it like at Christmas time or Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or just whenever you need a little summon. Anyway, let me unbox the jewellery and show you what I got. So this is how it came packaged, and I will be reusing this tissue paper next time I sell, I don't know, a dress or something on my Vinted. And apologies for doing this one-handed, but that's just how it goes when you're doing a YouTube video. So as you can see, I've ordered 3 things. I'll show you them all, but first of all, this is what the packaging looks like. And they're basically little drawers, so you slide them open. Everything is presented in a pouch, which keeps it nice and scratch-free. They're also perfect for when you're traveling to keep everything protected. And let's have a look at what my first item is. So this is, of course, one of their classic gold fermé bangles. I love the organic kind of shape of it. It's so beautiful, so sculptural. And what I love about their bangles is that you don't like slip them on your hand. They actually unhook. This is really hard to do with one hand. There we go. So they actually unclip, so you can put them onto your wrist, and basically they will sit really nice and close to your wrist, so you can literally wear them all the time if you want, and they're really easy to get on and off by yourself. So I don't know about you, but I love the look of a bangle, but I hate the way they clank around. So I find these absolutely amazing because yes, they have a hinge, so they can sit really close to your wrist. Also, you can get them in a small, medium and a large. I have bigger size wrists, and sometimes I get the medium if I want them to sit a little bit higher. Sometimes I get the large if I want them to sit a little bit lower. I think this one must be the large, so that is how it looks, how it sits. It's so beautiful. And then this is how it looks on my wrist. Please excuse my eczema, but yeah, it's so pretty. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So next up, I ordered another bangle because I wanted to replace what I lost. And it's basically the same item, but I wanted to have 2 so that they sit together. And I just thought they looked so pretty together as a stack. I actually saw the model on the website wearing like multiple together like this, and I just thought it looked so nice. And because of the organic texture, you can kind of wear one facing one way and one facing the other, so that yeah, you've got kind of like a different shape, so it's like different but the same. Does that make sense? So if you can see, one bangle has the clasp side here, and then the other bangle has the hinge side, so they kind of sit together really nicely, and they're similar but they're just positioned slightly differently. So yeah, I absolutely love it. So that is the next item. And then finally, one more bangle, because like I said, I want to make a stack. So let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the chain link signature bangle. I've got the 3 of them stacked up in a little stack like this. I love them together, but I also think they'll look really good by themselves. I just think they're so beautiful. Again, apologies for my eczema. I am so embarrassed. If I'd thought about it, I would have like filmed this video like when I didn't have a flare up, but I just really wanted to unbox my jewelry and show you what I've got. And let's be honest, people get eczema, people get sore skin, and we can't delay our lives. We've just got to wear the jewelry, detract away from our skin conditions. And also another thing that I can do with these bangles is I can wear one on one wrist and I can wear two on the other, so that I'm not kind of like lopsided when it comes to my jewelry. Like I've not got it all going on one wrist and nothing on the other. I can do like two on one and one on the other, which is really nice. Yeah, otherwise I feel like there's a lot going on here and nothing going on here. So yeah, I love the idea that I can wear the two together, which looks really nice, or I can kind of mix and match and put them on both hands. But I just think they look so beautiful. I'm so sorry, I'm not like a hand model, so my hands aren't beautiful. But my jewelry is beautiful, and I think that's all that really matters. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I love these bangles. I feel like I'm really pleased with like my necklace stacks that include Monica Vinader, but I needed some bangles. So yeah, I'm really pleased with these. I think I might do two on one wrist and one on the other. I was going to do three on one, but actually I really like having a bit on both. I think it looks really cool. So yeah, that is my video. That is what I got. I'm really thrilled with everything. I love their jewelry. It's so good quality. It's really sustainable. It's really beautiful. Everything is made from recycled 925 silver. The gold vermeil is obviously recycled as well. The plating is really thick and solid, so you never have to worry that it's going to rub off. It does not. They also have an incredible warranty system where you can literally get things replated, which is incredible. And all their packaging is reusable, recyclable, recycled, everything that you would like from a brand, they do. And yeah, I've been wearing their jewelry for like 10 to 12 years at this point, and I've never had a problem with anything. I'm such a fan of the brand. I love it. It's so beautiful. I used to work in jewelry, and I really respect what they do, but also their quality is so good. I feel like at the moment we're seeing a lot of brands use gold plating, but it's not gold vermeil, which is the top quality of gold plating. And then I'm also seeing a lot of like gold plated base metals, and they're selling it as if it's gold plated silver. It's not as good. It's going to wear off. It's going to turn your skin green. I don't love it. Whereas Monica Vinader, it's 925 solid silver. Like these pieces are heavy, and then they're gold vermeil, which means it's the best quality of plating you can get. So anyway, that is my little chat. That's my unboxing. I'm really pleased with everything. If you've got any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to answer them. And yeah, I just really rate what they do. I think they are really reasonably priced. I think they are beautifully made, beautifully designed, really chic, really iconic. They are a bit of an it girl brand, but they have been since they launched. Like they don't seem to ever get unfashionable. Like they've always been such a luxurious, aspirational brand. And yeah, like, I don't know, I just feel like they're getting better and better, and all their diamonds as well are lab grown, which I really respect as well. And I feel like they're putting like a lot of goodness into the world of like making people understand that lab grown diamonds are like chic and elegant. Yeah, sorry, that's such a long rant, isn't it? But yeah, I really love what they do. I really respect what they do. I think their jewelry is beautiful. And like, for instance, the Cartier love ring. Ooh, where is it? Let's get it in focus. There we go. The Cartier love ring. I bought this around the same time that I bought my first piece of Monica Vinader, and this is considered unfashionable now, and weirdly my Monica Vinader isn't. So I think that's kind of an interesting testament to how strong their brand is, how loved their brand is, how loved their jewelry is, and how incredible they are. Anyway, that's my video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to use my discount code. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.